Hi! I decided to conduct a speed test iPhone 13 Pro versus Honor 50. This will be done in two stages. The first one is to open the entire applications with animation. In the second step, we will disable animations as much as possible, and the interface will allow. I understand for sure that applications for iOS and Android are written in different languages. Despite this, the test will show how fast this or that phone works. And you write in the comment right now who do you think will win in the first step and who in the second, Honor 50 or iPhone 13 Pro. Enjoy your viewing. Make the right choice. Before I started the test, I closed all the applications so that they would open again. As you understand, the iPhone 13 Pro won the first test. And who will win in the second step? Just look. And in the second test, Honor snatched the victory, for a little bit, but still won. But still I have to say that even when all animations are disabled in the iPhone, they are still present in the interface. The complete absence of animation wasn't enough for iPhone to win an absolute victory. What was this video actually shot for? I wanted to show that not everything depends on processor power and RAM speed. The animation speed very important. If you want a quick response, turn it off or do it faster. If you want smoothness, then leave it as it is and adjust to yourself. Study the UI and their animations in order to make the right choice in the end. MRC, love you, goodbye.